There are a few reasons why you should not sleep on this website that I'm about to present to you as a way to make money using skills you already have if you have been seeking a way to earn some extra money. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money and ways to wisely make money online. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. On the crowdsourcing website Amazon Mechanical Turk or Mturk, users can earn money by doing quick jobs like data entry or questionnaires. These are referred to as HITs or human intelligence tasks. Using this website, people who work for Mturk, also known as Turkers, can finish jobs that are too simple or repetitious for machines to handle. You finish tasks on Mturk, submit them for review, and get paid. The directions, the time frame, and the payment amount are all supplied to you. Your work will be evaluated after you have finished and submitted a hit. You will be given payment authorization if it is approved. There are many jobs offered on the website by folks who need assistance. There are a huge variety of assignments available. A Turker might finish as many as 5,000 hits in a single day. You can earn more money by performing more hits. But there are some good days and terrible days, just as with any other work. Later on, I will provide you with some useful advice on how to increase your Mturk profits. As you browse for a work on Mturk, you will come across 3 primary categories of tasks. You can earn money on Mturk by doing short surveys if you like giving feedback and answering questions. There are many options to pick from, covering many different themes, and they are simple and quick to do. Even the types of surveys you want to take can be filtered. For these projects, like descriptions for search engines, you must conduct a Google search for a particular term or phrase and then send the requester a sample of your search results. Incredibly quick and easy. Do you type quickly? If so, doing quick transcribing jobs on Mturk can earn you money easily. Just listen to a brief audio recording, then type the information in. Other tasks that you may find on Mturk, according to the website, include video editing, data verification, information collection, and data processing. There are many minor tasks to choose from, but watch out, some of the demands are illegal, which you should ignore. These tasks include ones that require you to download software or input credit card details. Let us discuss how to start earning a living on Mturk now that you are familiar with the site. Here are 15 wise suggestions for earning $50 per day on Mturk. To improve productivity, use scripts and browser extensions. When looking for assignments on Mturk, using the appropriate browser add-ons and scripts can enable you to use your time more effectively. Finding and finishing the best projects more quickly will allow you to earn money in less time. The Mturk Suite Chrome extension, which is a collection of tools to help you operate more effectively within Mturk, is a well-liked add-on. Check out Panda Crazy Max, which will gather hits for you at a predetermined time interval. Small pieces of code called Mturk scripts are installed on your computer to boost productivity. They could introduce new features or alter Mturk's default settings. You can search Google for Mturk scripts to locate useful scripts, or you can visit mturkguide.com. One word of caution. Never employ a script that will automate your tasks for you when picking which scripts to utilize. You risk being banned from the platform if you use these scripts since they violate Mturk's terms of service. Always finish the projects you take on yourself. Another thing to remember about extensions and scripts is that they are always being updated and improved, while the older ones become obsolete and unusable. Make sure to periodically verify that the ones you are using are still functional for you. Use forums to stay informed. Checking the forums where other Turkers share their experiences and insights is one of the best things you can do as a Turker. The Mturk platform undergoes frequent daily updates. You can keep up with the finest hits to accept by making it a habit to monitor these forums for updates. You may find a wealth of advice and information on forums like Mturk Crowd and Turker Nation to help you boost your earnings. You will be able to choose and finish hits with less time and effort thanks to the daily updates included in these discussions. You will learn about the frauds and unreliable providers to avoid in addition to the best paying jobs that are highlighted. Before you start looking for hits on the Mturk job board, it is a good idea to identify the forums that are most effective for you and to frequent them regularly. Choose your hourly minimum wage. After all, time is money. This means that before you start taking a ton of low-paying hits on Mturk, you should consider how much your time is worth. Consider that you wish to earn at least $8 per hour. To accomplish this, you must locate hits that pay well and are manageable for you to finish quickly. You should probably avoid choosing lower-paying jobs that don't bring in at least $8 per hour. Remember that chores won't take you an hour to accomplish, rather they will just take you a few seconds or minutes. Calculate how many of the same jobs you could perform in an hour and how much money you would make by doing the math. Pick projects that fascinate you and that you think you can finish quickly. Normally, you can examine the hit specifics before beginning work on it and determine whether it is worthwhile. Just keep in mind that the lucrative hits will disappear rapidly. You will get more adept at selecting the tasks that will enable you to meet your hourly objective over time. So here's a tip. A lot of Turkers advise restricting your hit search to just include tasks that pay at least 35 to 40 cents per tasks. You can make an hourly wage of at least $8 if you finish these higher paying activities in under 3 minutes apiece. Be eligible for hits with better payout. By passing practice exams and taking part in brief surveys, you can become eligible for higher paying hits. You can access a greater range of jobs supplied by a specific provider by fulfilling these requirements, which typically just takes a few minutes. Your qualifications will also grow if you have a solid profile that displays a large number of hits successfully completed and high approval rates. Try to improve your qualifications so you can accept these high-paying hits if you want to optimize your earnings on Mturk. Create trust by maintaining a solid Amazon Mturk profile. You will have a profile as a Turker that lists how many hits you have completed and your approval rate. Requesters may choose you for a task or not based on these indicators. In general, the Turker who has completed more hits and has a higher approval rate will be picked over the others. Building your profile is essential in order to establish credibility and trust. Although it will take some time, your efforts will be worthwhile in the end. Getting lots of small, low-paying jobs done quickly can help you achieve your goals faster. You will initially have to make some financial sacrifices, but you will have a quicker access to better prospects. You will be eligible for extra assignments once you have finished 500 to 1,000 hits. Additionally, your acceptance rate will soar once you have performed 5,000 hits and earned a master qualification. Just keep in mind that following submission, every hit must be approved. A hit approval percentage of at least 95% is ideal, but 99% is even better. You may easily earn $50 per day on Mturk with these values. Finally, and most importantly, learn to be patient. It will take some time for a novice Turker to figure out which activities will pay off the most, develop a solid profile, and develop time management skills. Self-care requires patience. Keep your attention on developing the successful everyday routines. It is totally feasible to earn $50 per day on Mturk if you truly want to. But even when progress is slower than you'd want, you must continue to be committed. You will have days when you succeed in your objective and other days when it seems like a complete failure. Maintain your route and proceed onward. If you give up, that's the only way you can fail. It only requires a few minutes and is quite simple. Visit the Amazon Mechanical Turk registration page. To request a worker account, click the link. Log in using the Amazon login provided or register for an Amazon account. You will create your Mturk account after you are logged into Amazon. Await your Mturk account's verification, which could take up to 48 hours. You will set up your payment information to collect your rewards after being verified. You will have a 10-day probationary period when you first join Turk. You will be required to finish up to 100 hits per day throughout this time. You can finish as many chores as you like after this. So that's it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.